Glarity is a Chatgpt YouTube summary extension you can add to your browser, and it can summarize YouTube videos and Google searches. To download Glarity extension, go on to glarity.app, you scroll down and you can see it has different options for the kind of browser you have. So as of now I am in Chrome, so I will click on add to Chrome. It will take me to the Chrome web store where I can click on the add to Chrome button here on the right hand side and add this extension to my Chrome. It'll ask me for permission and I click on add extension, and this will add the Chatgpt YouTube summary extension to my Chrome browser. You can see some options that automatically open. So it gives you an option which is the triggered mode. So if it is always, Chatgpt will provide you a summary on every search, and if it is on manual, it will only be queried when you manually click a button. You can choose between themes, auto, light and dark, and then language. You can select between the languages that you want. So I pin this to my taskbar so it's easier for me, and then I go to YouTube. I search for a video. And as you can see on the right hand side, the Glarity summary is open and it shows you the summary of this YouTube video. And this is how you can use this Chatgpt YouTube summary extension to summarize any YouTube video easily. If you like the content, please hit on subscribe. Thank you.